If you're shopping for a budget 27-inch 1440p monitor, two great contenders are the AOC Q27G3XMN and the AOC Q27G40XMN. But which one is actually better? Let's break it down fast. So the AOC Q27G3XMN is a 27-inch QHD gaming monitor that often pushes high refresh rates, typically 165Hz or above, with fast response times of 1 to 4 milliseconds. It's tuned for gamers who want smooth motion and responsive gameplay on a budget. Some of its pros: higher refresh rate for smooth gaming, quick response time for esports titles, and adaptive sync support. However, colors and contrast are serviceable but not premium. Stand adjustments may be limited. It's best for gamers on a budget who want high FPS and responsive play. The AOC Q27G40XMN is also a 27-inch QHD panel, usually with standard refresh rates around 75 to 144Hz depending on region. It's designed for everyday use, movies, work, browsing, with solid image quality and fewer gaming-centric specs. Some of its pros: better value for mixed use of work and entertainment, good screen clarity and viewing angles, and a lower refresh rate compared to the Q27G3XMN in most markets. However, it's not as smooth for competitive gaming and fewer gamer-focused features. It's best for users who want a balanced monitor for everyday tasks and casual gaming. The final verdict: choose the AOC Q27G3XMN if you're a gamer on a budget. Higher refresh rate and faster response make it smoother for shooters and fast-paced titles. Choose the AOC Q27G40XMN if you want an affordable all-around monitor that handles work, media, and casual gaming without prioritizing ultra refresh. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.